Blake, is it done?
Dad.
Is it cooking? Is it done?
Dad.
Is it good? Are you hungry?
Uh-oh.
Do you want dinner? Hot, that's right. Dinner, yay! It's done. Woo! Can you say bye-bye?
Eat.
Blake, can you say bye-bye? Okay, let's go eat. Let's eat. Woo! Is it done?
Dad.
Yummy.
Mango.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.